Alfred Weber, a German economist, proposed the least transportation cost theory to explain the factors influencing the location of industries. His theory revolves around minimizing costs, particularly transportation costs, to determine the optimal site for industrial activity. The model is primarily concerned with finding the most cost-efficient location for a manufacturing industry by considering three critical factors: transportation costs, labor costs, and agglomeration costs. In simplifying the complexities of real-world geography and economics, Weber made several key assumptions to focus on the core principles of his theory. Assumptions of Weber's industrial location theory. 1. Geographical uniformity. The area in question is assumed to be physically, technologically, culturally, and politically uniform. This implies that factors like terrain, infrastructure, and governmental regulations are the same across the region. 2. Known sources of raw materials and consumption centers. The locations of raw material sources and consumption markets are fixed and known in advance. This helps in calculating transportation costs precisely. 3. Transportation costs dependent on weight and distance. The cost of transporting goods is directly related to both the weight of the product and the distance it needs to be moved. The heavier the goods or the farther the distance, the higher the transportation cost. 4. Geographically fixed labor. The workforce is considered to be immobile and fixed to specific geographic locations. Labor costs can vary from one place to another, but workers do not move between locations. 5. Perfect competition. Industries face intense competition, leading to perfect competitive pricing, where no single company can control prices, ensuring uniformity in market behavior across the industrial landscape.